Take a break with teachersub.com. Quality video lessons ready when you need them.
Welcome to another fantastic episode of Master Cursive with Colors. I'm Miss Jackie and super excited to swirl and curl some letters with you today. This lesson will continue the lowercase letters of M, N, and V. In the past lessons, you started with big rainbow writing movements. Then you moved on to medium size, and today that will change to smaller size movements. Before we begin, we need to make sure we have all the supplies ready for today's lesson. You need just one big dark marker, and you also need workbook page 19 from our Master Cursive with Colors workbook. If you need to gather these supplies, pause the video and go get them. I'll wait here until you get back. Hands up if you're ready to rock this learning. Let's get to it. Here we have the supplies for page 19. I have my workbook page 19 and a big chunky dark marker. I'm using green today. We do not need rainbow colors. We do not need stoplight colors. What I would like you to do is I would like you to join me with a we do and put our name on it. So my name is Miss Jackie. I will be writing that. And you please write your name. All right, now we look at the directions because every teacher loves when you read the directions. It says copy the sample and then write certain amount of times or a certain amount of times. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to write 6 up here. So I now know that I will copy and then write 6, which makes a total of 7. And here we go. We are not going to mark where it starts or where it stops because we already know that. For the letter M, I remind myself that there are 3 Humpty Dumptys because 1, 2, 3 rhymes with me. And for the letter N, we have 2 humps because the word no is N-O, 2 letters. And V will have 1 Humpty Dumpty and it will have a high connector. And then down below, we will write M and then N and then V. So let's do this together. Let's go to the letter M and with your dark marker, place it on the baseline where we know it starts. And let's ramp up together and do 1 Humpty Dumpty straight down to the baseline. Follow that up, make another Humpty Dumpty, come down to the baseline, and up for our 3rd Humpty Dumpty, pull down for a connector. Nice job. Let's go to the next one and let's ramp up and Humpty Dumpty at the midline, come to the baseline, Humpty Dumpty again at the midline, and for a 3rd Humpty Dumpty with a connector. The M should not be taller than the midline. Let's do one more together. Up and Humpty Dumpty 1, Humpty Dumpty 2, and Humpty Dumpty 3. Nice job. Now what I would like is for you to finish the line. And it doesn't matter how slowly you go as long as you keep trying. So finish the row and I will work while you work. Go. I think my row of M's are marvelous. I noticed that sometimes I tried to go faster than others, and when I sped up, I made sloppier M's. When I really focused and took my time, I came out with a beautiful M, and I think that one is right there. If you'd like to go and make sure that you have 3 humps for each M, you can go back across the row and check that out. Okay, I think we're ready to move down to row N, and let's do that together. So with letter N, I start on the baseline, and please come with me. Let's ramp up and do 1 Humpty Dumpty and back down to the baseline. Then up for another Humpty Dumpty, curve at the baseline for N's connector. Nice job. Let's do the next one together. Ramp up with 1 Humpty Dumpty and back up for 2 Humpty Dumpties with the connector. And let's go to the third one, ramping up with 1 Humpty Dumpty and 2 Humpty Dumpties. Curve up at the baseline. Nice work. If we're going too fast, pause the video and go at your own speed. I think we're ready for a you do. You finish while I finish. How'd you do? Let's go and just make sure that we only made 2 humps for our N's. N-O spells no, N-O spells no. M's and N's are a little tricky. And when I look through all of my row of N, I believe my one here in the middle is a beauty. Mark which one you think is your best. All right, we are ready to move down to row V. Let's keep this a we do. And place our marker at the very baseline, very bottom, and let's ramp up with a Humpty Dumpty and then curve across the baseline, not too much, and then come up and extend that bridge connector. The connector is up here on the midline. All right, here we go for the next one. Ready? Let's ramp up and Humpty Dumpty once and run across that baseline just slightly. Come up and make a bridge connector, like an arm out, a walking bridge. And now let's do one more. Up and Humpty Dumpty, curve at the baseline, up and make a connector. Nice job. I'd like for you to finish the row, and I will work while you work. Now remember, we want to make our V's not very pointy because it's hard to do that, but not too wide. Otherwise it will look like a U. So our V's should be very tight in here. And when I look at all the V's, I think this V is my best. And now, after you pick yours, let's move down to the very bottom, where we are going to copy the sample together, and then we're going to write it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, not 6 times. So I think I'm going to go up here and just write 4 to 6 times. I missed that part. That happens. No one's perfect. Let's take our marker. Let's start with M, and remember, 1, 2, 3 rhymes with me. Up we go. 1 Humpty Dumpty, 2 Humpty Dumpties, 3 Humpty Dumpties and connector. 1, 2, 3 rhymes with me. And here we go for N. Ready? Place it on the baseline and up and 1 Humpty Dumpty and 2 Humpty Dumpties and its connector, because N-O spells no. And here we go to trace V. Up to the midline, Humpty Dumpty, curve up, back to the midline, and an upper bridge connector. Nice. Now what we're going to do is we're going to write M, then an N, then a V. And I'm going to leave this last dot for you to choose which one you want to do. You can work while I work, and at the end we'll see what letter you did as well as I did. There you go. How did you do? Can you see which letter I did? for my extra. So I double checking that my M's have 3 humps and my N's have 2 humps. And then my V is a connector up top, and I made an N. What did you make? Did you choose M? M has a lot of humps and sometimes confuses me. N is very smooth on my hand, so I enjoy that letter. All right, I'm going to pick my best one in this row, and you know what? I really think I did a great V after all those M's and N's. Which one is your best? Bravo, Cursive Champs! Today, we practice smaller letter formations in just the right size. You can keep practicing by copying more pages from today's lesson and working on your own until each letter feels just right. Remember, write with joy and your words will shine. And did you know smart stuff can't be lost? It gets tucked safely in your brain. So keep writing, keep smiling, and we'll meet again for more handwriting happiness. See you soon.